Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X5 Lite, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So to do that, we should slide with our two fingers at the same time to the center, or just to hold for a while one from our device home screens. Then here we will find the transitions icon. Now we have selected the default animation, and we can just select one from these available animations. For example, I'll go with the real one. Just tap here to apply, click to the home button, and now we can see that we just successfully changed home screen animation. By the same way, we can go back to the default animation here. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.